Alright everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the C64 Mini. Right there. It's a real beauty. And it says on here, plugs into your TV with included HDMI cable. But then it says AC adapter not included. I guess they figure everybody in the world has 15 cell phone chargers, so you could just use one of them. They don't, a lot of this stuff don't even give them to you no more, because they figure everybody has them. Anyway, let's take a look. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the box. I have never opened this yet. I just now cut this tag off here right before I started to hit the record button. So you're going to see how they pack it in here. Hopefully, we'll get it out. We'll get it out, man. It's coming. It's coming. It has 64 games included, but I'm going to put a video link down there. Now, this is the American version. I'm going to put a video link down in there for you to go watch, and the guy will show you how to load up SD card, put it in there, and have all the games you want. So, he explains it way better than I can, so I'll just let him do it. You can click on his video. There's the box. And let's open the box. Wow, that's cool looking. You know, you got to get that little bit of nostalgia going. Okay, so the keys don't actually work. They're just fake. There's the USB port on the side. It's probably for the joystick. There's your HDMI port there, and then there's your power in. You know, you plug your little phone charger in there. You know, it just runs on one of those 5-volt deals. There's the little power button right there. It's not very complex. You know, this is the Commodore 64, man. Okay, so it's not that complicated. So there's that, and there's that. But I guess you can plug in a keyboard into this thing and then turn it on, and it'll the Commodore Basic screen will come up. So you could type in some basic programs if you wanted to go that route, which I don't want to. So let's see what else is in here. Okay, so they give you the HDMI cable, which I have hundreds of those. And then they give you this micro USB cable, which I have hundreds of those. So that's all included in case you don't have that stuff. And then there's the joystick, which I'm not really a big fan of this joystick. I remember this thing from back in the day. And it's probably one, I'm going to probably use this, or I might actually plug in my Xbox 360 wired to see if I could get that to work. But if I can't, we're just demonstrating it, I'll just use this one. You know, I'll just suck it up and deal with it. You know, so that's how that'll be. Now I'm going to put it over there and hook it up to the TV and show you, but I don't have a capture device anymore. My days of doing that are long gone, when I used to do the game capture stuff and upload that crap on other things I was doing. But I just live stream from the PS4 now. I don't, you know, when I want to do a live stream of a game, I just do it on YouTube from there. I don't, or to Twitch. I don't, you know, capture stuff and then process it and do all that other crapola. I mean, nobody's doing that much anymore anyway. Those Elgato screen capture devices, I don't think they're even that popular anymore. But anyway, so there it is. It really looks authentic, and from what I understand, it's actually half the size of the original. And from what I heard, they were going to make another one of these, but the full size keyboard. So we'll see. All right, so let's just go get it hooked up to the TV and try it out and demonstrate it. All right, here's the C64 Mini setup. All you do is plug it in to the phone charger and plug the joystick in there. And when you plug in the phone charger, it's going to come on automatically. It will automatically power on. You don't have to hit the little button on the side. But I do want to show you, tell you one thing about it. You have to make sure that your phone charger is still pushing out the whole 1 amp. The 5 volts, 1 amp. Because if it's not pushing out the whole amp, it'll come on, but it'll keep cutting out if it's not getting the full amp. So you might, if that happens, don't think that it's broke. You know, you'll think you'll plug it in and, you know, you'll start messing with it, but it'll cut out. It's not broke. It's that it's not getting the whole amp that it needs to run. So that's going to be the issue with that. And then as soon as it comes on, this menu comes up, and you just scroll through here. Now I'm just using that joystick that came with it, this one right here, which I can't stand. But just to show you how one of the games work, you just scroll to the game you want. Yeah, I used to play that one all the time. Yeah, here we go with Jumpman. That's actually a little bit slower than I would like it, but you know, I'm gonna deal with it for right now. Oh shit, I fell off of there. Well, I mean, I haven't played this in 35 years, so I mean, you know, that's, you gotta give me a little break here. Oh, ah. Oh. I'm getting this level beat, man, one way or another. Yay! Or was too. Oh, that was too much of a fall? That's BS. If I had a decent joystick right now, I'd be kicking this game's butt. Especially on this slow speed. Oh crap. Oh, that's great. All right, guys. So there you go. You see it. C64